Hello everyone! In this tutorial, we'll set up logic to automatically trigger an action when the status of a task changes. Let's dive in. First, we'll go to the Logic section and click to create a new logic. In the Trigger section options, we're going to specify that we want to track a status change. In the first drop-down menu, we'll pick the specific task we want to keep an eye on. Let's say we're tracking a change in the compo task. Next, in the second drop-down, we select the status we want to capture. Let's go with Ready to Start. This will let us trigger a specific piece of code or another action whenever this status is detected. On the right, we'll add an action to send us a message. For this to work, we'll need to ensure our logic is activated across the entire project. Now that it's live, we can test it to ensure everything runs smoothly. Let's go to a test shot. Here, we've got a task in the To-Do stage. If we change the status, we can go back to our logic to see if it executed on that item. Looks good so far. Now, let's try a more practical example by setting it up to send us a message every time the task status changes to Ready to Start. This way, we'll get a notification that the task is all set to begin. To do that, we'll go to our action catalog, grab the message action, drag it into place, and save it. Then we'll type a custom message, like, "The task is available to start." With that, we're ready to go. Let's test it one more time by switching the task status from its initial state to Ready. If it's set up right, we should see the logic trigger and get our message in the logs. The message will confirm the status change and link us directly to the task so we can check out the details, download any files, and get started. And that's it! You've now set up a logic to track task status changes and trigger custom actions.